If you've been seeing the Nuvetra LymphLift Brush all over your feed promising a slimmer, sculpted face in just days, you're not alone, but the real question is, does it actually deliver, or is it just another cleverly marketed product? This brush is being promoted as a game changer for facial contouring, claiming to reduce puffiness, define your jawline, and even help eliminate a double chin, but when you look a little deeper, things start to feel less convincing and more like a familiar pattern. First, the product itself appears to be a generic item that's been rebranded and sold under multiple names, which is usually a sign that the focus is more on marketing than innovation. Then there are the claims, while lymphatic drainage tools can support temporary depuffing, the idea of permanent face sculpting without lifestyle changes feels exaggerated. You'll also notice aggressive sales tactics like countdown timers and limited time offers pushing you to act fast, which often creates pressure rather than trust. The reviews might look impressive at first glance, but many of them seem repetitive and overly polished, raising questions about authenticity. On top of that, before and after images can be misleading, especially when lighting, angles, or even digital editing come into play. Another point worth noting is the pricing gap. What appears to be a low-cost product is often sold at a significantly marked-up price, which makes you wonder what you're really paying for. Overall, while the Nuvetra LymphLift Brush might offer some short-term benefits like improved circulation or a temporary refreshed look, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and not get swept up by the hype.